A picture is worth 1,000 burns. So I had been with Ben for 18 years before I'd finally had enough and asked for a divorce. He moved several hours away near his mom, which also meant he left me to raise our kids by myself with little child support and never seeing the kids. I decided it was time to have a family portrait done, as it had been a while. We went and had a sitting, and as we were looking through the digital images to pick out what to order, my oldest asked if we could send one to Grandma, his mother. I told her that I didn't think Grandma would want a picture with me in it, but I would be happy to order her a picture with just the kids. My oldest swore Grandma would want me in the pics and always made sure to ask about me and how I was doing. Heard from Ben's best friend that he hated the fact that his mom told him he screwed up the best thing that ever happened to him and that she still remained friends with me on Facebook. I was kind of surprised. My ex was extremely verbally and emotionally abusive to me during our marriage, which is why I ended it. I never knew his mom actually thought so highly of me. I had only ever seen her a couple of days a year at Christmas. No issues, we just never grew close. So my oldest calls up Grandma right there in the studio and asks her if she'd want a picture with me in it or just the kids. Grandma asked specifically for a picture with all of us, including me. So I decided to order her a nice glossy 8x10 that I had matted and framed, and I mailed that to her. Apparently she hung it right in the entryway, where every time my ex walks in, he sees my smiling face staring back at him.